Alright, so we pull up in a secret location, guys, right in front of a Best Buy. Mr. Decal guy, what's your Instagram, bro?
Jay Lozano.
There you go, guys. Hooking it up with the Cave Gang decals right there, look.
Got the golds too.
Damn. The gold base, right?
Yeah, gold base, old slick, and then standard gloss.
What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. We're out here on a Wednesday, it's raining. Out here with some supporters of the Cave movement. What's up? What's your name, bro?
Derek.
Derek. Oh, Derek.
Yeah.
What do you do for a living, Derek?
I am a vet tech.
Nice. What's up, bro?
Brandon.
What do you do for a living, bro?
I work for Pet Boys.
There it is. Cave Gang movement. Let's go. Like supporting that movement, baby. Let's go. And like always, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the, let me see, Cave Gang family. Let's go. It's raining, but this guy wants to put it on right now, so let's go.
Oh, so what do you want right here?
Nailed it, bro. Steady hands. Steady hands, bro. Hey, turn off. Hey, that's right. Boom. There it is, guys. Got the gold one, and this guy got the white one. Supporting the Cave Gang movement. He decided to put it right here on his door. Nice. Hey, this guy's funny, look. His car's dirty, and that spot, he cleaned it because he already knew where he was going to put it on. Okay, chingón, güey. Hey, Cave Gang, baby, let's go.
Let's go.
Damn, my homie's putting on his wing. Damn. Here, putting another sticker on this beautiful Honda. She got the all gold sticker right here, so I see where it goes with it. Cave Gang, baby, repping hard. There she is, like, she's camera shy though. Hey, Cave Gang on this shit. Hey, you like the sticker?
Oh, hell yeah, bro.
Thanks for the support, bro. My homie George just put a Cave Gang decal. I don't know if you guys can see, but this thing's like rainbow color, huh?
Yeah, that's just...
You like it?
The rainbow color is like...
Yeah, look. Link to my description below is going to take you straight to my Instagram. Send me a DM, and we'll hook you up with one of these badass Cave Gang. This is for you guys, my supporters. Cave Gang, that's what I like to call you guys. KF Gang. I love my decal because it changes color. Right now it's green with red. If you move over here, it's purple with blue. Look at that.
No autograph, sorry.
Can I record you?
So after selling my Cave Gang decals, thanks for the support, guys, Cave Gang, we came to Panda Express and look at what we have here. What do we have here? Who's this?
What is it? Express right here.
Steezy.
Leche.
You know, Roller.
We got the legendary Fishy.
That's me, alright.
Explicit Kings in the house.
Just chilling right here randomly, guys. Like, I don't know.
Southgate.
Hey, Southgate boys right here. Southgate boys. You see the hair, Leche? Turn around. Wow. Wow. Did you, hey, let me see. Osuna. Bring that. Osuna, let me see Osuna. Bring me the light from really quick.
Osuna.
Wow. Send me a Osuna song real quick.
Which one? You guys tell me.
Baby. Identical, dude. Oh, fuck. I thought I was at a concert right now, bro. Nailed it, bro. Nailed it.
It's
hey,
alive.
Hey, nice to see you guys. Stay up, guys. Explicit Kings. Alright, catch you later.
KF Gang.
Oh, there it is, baby. Let's go. Shout out right here for the boys supporting the movement right here. Let me see the sticker. There you go, man. Supporting the movement. Let's go. Look at this beautiful wrap right here, guys. It's a beautiful wrap. Look at this detailed wrap right here. Loving it. That's alright. It's mud, fool. It's mud, fool. We got the cops already here, guys. We got a lot of cops right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 cops. We got the cops over here blocking. They're out here moaning. I don't know why. Oh, yeah.
We're sideways because we're a bunch of sideways.
We're smashing out in the streets right now, guys. This guy's a maniac. Look at him. This is the first time that we get burned out by an airplane, guys. Look at this. Look, supercar suspects here. What the hell?
No way. No way.
Hey, have you seen him?
What?
Where the fuck is Chris at?
I thought that was him.
I thought Chris was at home. Guys, 3 of them. I'm going toward the cops, guys. Fucking Fortnite edition, guys. Hey, with the shades on. Hey, we got the cops right here, guys. Where are we going? What's cracking, buddy? Hey, what's up? What's up? Cops came through, guys. It's packed as fuck tonight, guys, that you can see. There's a lot of people here right now.
Let's get through now.
So traffic 4 night edition. Oh fuck, I have to build.
Then wait, hey, Pedro, how am I supposed to talk?
Dude, you have to build. Here, let me build for you. Here, let me give you some bandage. There you go, bro. It's a lot of people out here tonight, guys. Holy shit, guys, we have a collision right here, guys. Multiple cars. We got one right here, 2 with this one. In the middle of the freeway, guys. I had to get out to vlog a little bit. That other white car is fucked up already, by the way. This one is still, you can still save this one. Oh yeah, the bumper too. Hey, put your hazards in because they could hit you guys and crash you. Yeah, pull over right there. They're holding traffic up here, guys. It's crazy as fuck. Damn. That's a hard hit, guys. I'm guiding people, guys, so they don't hit any of these cars because there's traffic all over the place. Let me get this bumper right here, too. So I'm out here directing traffic, guys. So they can come this way or this way. There's a big ride right here, guys. Hey, we did our job. We did our job. We put the codes right here, guys. Everybody's protected now. Good part. Hey, good care. We care about everybody. Let's go, guys.
CDK for the win.
Let's go.
Hey, CDK out here helping the public.
Yeah, out here helping the people, baby. Out here helping the people. Yeah.